Thanks for getting the video, and here is sister. So before you can check your BEC results aggregate, yes, you first need to check your BEC result to know whether you got 1, 2, 3. I mean with the grades per each subject. Okay, so if you haven't checked your BEC results, you want where you can check your BEC results, kindly DM me, okay, and then let me help you out with that one. Check in the comment section or the description and send me a WhatsApp message and let me know whether you want to check your BEC results or the placement, and then I will help you out with any one of them. Right now, with the BEC 2024, with the time that I was making this video, the placement is not out yet, but I will let you know when the placement is out, and then also how you can also check yours on your smartphone without going to the cafe. It's just simple right here. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos right here on this platform. So after checking your results and getting to know your results, yes, with me, I will send the PDF. In the PDF form, I will send it to you on WhatsApp. So let's say you have gotten your BEC results. Okay, now how can you check your BEC aggregate? With checking your BEC aggregate, you need to select 3 best core subjects and 3 best elective subjects. Okay, so with the one that I have put on the screen right here, you can see we have the English, social, RME, mathematics, science, career tech, CA and design, and we have computing and Asante tree. So we have the elective and then we have the core. The core is the English, social, maths, and science. Mostly these are the core subjects. Okay, so mostly they select EMS, English, maths, science, as the core subjects that you are going to select. That should mostly come first before even the social, okay, which will be the last. Okay, but with the elective, any one of your choice, you can go in for that one. Okay, so let's say with the English, okay, so as you see on the screen right here, with the English, you could see the English is 5, the social is 8, and then we have the math is 5. Okay, so I'm going to pick 3 core and then also 3 elective, making 6. So if you got 1 1 1 for each of these 3 core and then also 3 elective, you will get 6, aggregate 6. So if let's say with the results, or using the results here as an example, we have the English, which is 5, the math, which is 5, and then the science, which is 6. So 5 plus 5 plus 6 will give you 16. That is 16 for just the 3 core. Now let's go to the elective. So with the elective, you're going to select. So with the elective, we have the RME, we have the career tech, and then we have the CA. Okay, and then we have the computing and then the Asante tree. With the time that I was making this video, the result that I have right now, this was the results. Okay, so with the elective, we will be choosing the computing, which is 4, and then also the career tech, which is 2, and then also we will go in for the 6, okay, which is the RME. Okay, so we're going in for the 6 and then 2 and 4. So 6 plus 4 is even 10, and then plus 2 will give you 12. So the elective will give you 12, and then the core is giving you 16. So 12 plus 16 will give you 28. So your aggregate will be 28. So all that you need to do is to add 3 core subjects and 3 elective, the best ones. Pick from the best ones, add it up, and then you get to know your aggregate. And depending on the aggregate, that is what you get to know that you got a good school or a bad school. I'm not saying a bad school in that perspective, but you see, with a choice, everyone has a choice, good choice and then bad choice. That's why with your selection for a school, you selected from the top ones to the down ones, and every school that you select has its own aggregate allocated to them. So if you selected a high school and then your aggregate is poor, don't expect getting that particular school. Okay, so let's say if you have first, second choice, mostly the first choice should be the one that, let's say if you get aggregate 10, you'll be able to get into that school. The second one should be the one that if you get aggregate 15, you'll be able to fit into that school. And the third one, which is, let's say you get aggregate 20 or 30, you'll be able to fit into that school. So mostly you choose it according to how you think your performance is. So don't be just selecting schools. So I know that you've already selected and now you are just checking the aggregates, but just advise your young ones, those coming as well, let them know that as they are selecting the schools, they should select based on their performances and not just because they have been hearing of the school name. Okay, no school is bad, but you know some schools have good names than the other ones. Teachers are very perfect, as GS always give out good teachers in all aspects in all these schools, but you know hype is more. So yes, just know that it all depends on you. You should be ready to learn. so that you can also move on in life. So this is how you can check your aggregates, and let me know your thoughts about this. Let me know your aggregates after checking right in the comment section. And I wish you best. Stay alive and bye for now.